Looking for the best air fryer in 2026 but not sure which one to choose? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best air fryers that are worth your money. Whether you want smart features, large capacity, or easy cooking, we've got you covered. Check out all product links in the description box. Let's get started. Number 5. Typhur Sync AI Smart Air Fryer. If you want an air fryer that feels smart, modern, and easy to use, the Typhur Sync 8QT AI Smart Air Fryer is something special. This is not just a normal air fryer. It comes with a built-in wireless meat thermometer. That means you can cook steak, chicken, or fish without guessing. Just place the probe inside the food, and the fryer shows the real-time temperature. You'll get an alert the moment your food is perfectly cooked. No more cutting your food to check. No more overcooking. The air fryer also connects to a smart app. With the app, you can control cooking from your phone. Even better, it uses AI to help you cook. You can take a photo of your ingredients, and the app will suggest a recipe with the right time and temperature. It's like having a smart cooking assistant in your kitchen. This model has a large 8-quart capacity. The square basket gives you more space than round ones. You can cook a whole chicken up to 6 pounds, or even a 9-inch pizza. It's a great choice for families or anyone who likes cooking bigger meals. Cooking is also healthier. The basket uses a ceramic coating that is free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA. It's non-stick, safe at high heat, and easy to clean. One thing you will notice right away is how quiet it is. Many air fryers are loud, but this one uses special technology to reduce noise. You can cook without disturbing others at home. It also offers 9 different cooking modes. You can air fry, bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, reheat, and more. There's even a special mode for whole chicken that cooks the inside perfectly while making the outside crispy. Cleaning is simple too. The basket, grill plate, and even the meat probe are all dishwasher safe. So after cooking, you don't have to spend much time cleaning up. The temperature range goes from 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you full control, whether you're drying fruits or cooking a juicy roast. Overall, the Typhur Sync 8QT is a powerful and smart air fryer. It saves time, reduces guesswork, and helps you cook better meals with less effort. If you want convenience, smart features, and great cooking results, this air fryer is definitely worth a look. Number 4. Ninja Crispy Pro Air Fryer. Meet the Ninja Crispy Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer, a smart and modern way to cook for your whole family. This powerful 1800-watt air fryer is designed to handle everything from quick snacks to large meals. It can even cook a full chicken and serve up to 10 people, making it perfect for family dinners or small gatherings. What makes it special is the glass cooking system. You get both a 6-quart and a 2.5-quart glass container, so you can cook big meals or small portions with ease. The glass is non-toxic, durable, and thermal shock resistant, which means you can take food straight from the freezer and cook it right away. It also comes with 6 cooking functions. You can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, re-crisp leftovers, or use max crisp for extra crunch. The precise temperature control helps you get consistent results every time. Another great feature is the modular base. It adjusts to fit different container sizes, giving you more flexibility in the kitchen. And the snap-lock lids make storage simple and mess-free. You can even put the glass containers in the microwave, freezer, or dishwasher, which saves time and effort. With its clean design and see-through glass, you can watch your food cook in real time. No need to open the lid and lose heat. Overall, the Ninja Crispy Pro is a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use air fryer that makes cooking faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. If you're looking for an easy way to cook crispy and tasty food at home, the Instant Pot 6-quart Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a great choice to consider. This air fryer is made by Instant Brands, the same company behind the popular Instant Pot. It combines 6 cooking functions in one compact machine. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, all without needing multiple appliances. One of the best features is its Even Crisp technology. It helps your food come out crispy and golden using up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy your favorite fried foods in a healthier way. The temperature range goes from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook everything from dried fruits to juicy chicken and crispy fries with perfect results. Using it is simple. The one-touch controls and clear touchscreen make cooking easy even if you're a beginner. You can quickly select your cooking mode and let the air fryer do the work. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families. You can cook enough food for up to 6 people in one go, which is great for daily meals or small gatherings. Cleaning is also quick and stress-free. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend extra time scrubbing. The stainless steel design looks modern and fits nicely in any kitchen. Plus, with built-in safety features like auto shutoff and overheat protection, you can cook with confidence. Overall, this air fryer is powerful, easy to use, and very versatile. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants fast, healthy, and delicious meals at home. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. If you want fast, easy, and healthier cooking at home, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6-quart is a great choice to consider. This air fryer is designed to make cooking simple. It comes with 9 cooking functions so you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, reheat, and more, all in one machine. Whether you're making crispy fries, chicken, or even baking, it handles everything with ease. One of its best features is the TurboBlaze technology. It uses a powerful fan system with up to 5 speed levels and reaches temperatures from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means your food cooks evenly, comes out crispy on the outside, and stays juicy inside. It also cooks faster, which is perfect for busy days. The 6-quart basket is spacious enough for family meals. You can cook large portions like chicken wings or fries without needing multiple batches. At the same time, its compact design helps save space in your kitchen. Another highlight is the premium ceramic coating. The basket and tray are non-stick, durable, and safe. Food doesn't stick easily, and cleaning is simple. You can even put the parts in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. This air fryer is also quieter than many others, operating at less than 53 decibels, so you can cook without loud noise in your kitchen. Health is a big benefit too. It uses up to 95% less oil compared to deep frying. You still get crispy and tasty food, but with less fat, which is better for your body. For convenience, it includes a smart preheat function that adjusts automatically based on temperature. It also pauses cooking when you remove the basket and resumes when you put it back, making it safe and easy to use. You also get a recipe book and access to 100 in-app recipes with nutrition details. This is helpful if you want new meal ideas or are trying to eat healthier. In short, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is powerful, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cooking. It saves time, reduces oil, and gives you delicious results every time. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. Meet the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer DZ550, a powerful kitchen helper designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. This air fryer comes with a large 10-quart capacity and 2 separate baskets. That means you could cook 2 different foods at the same time in 2 different ways. No more waiting or cooking in batches. One of its best features is the Smart Cook thermometer. Just insert it into your meat, choose how you like it cooked, and the air fryer does the rest. It checks the temperature and stops cooking at the perfect moment. No guessing, no overcooking. With dual zone technology, you get 2 smart options. Smart Finish lets both foods finish cooking at the same time, even if they use different settings. Match Cook copies the same settings to both baskets for bigger meals. This air fryer also offers 6 cooking functions. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and even dehydrate. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, it handles it all with little to no oil. It's fast, too. You can cook meals up to 30% quicker than a traditional oven. Plus, the wide temperature range gives you full control, from gentle drying to high-heat crisping. Cleaning is simple. The baskets and crisper plates are non-stick, PFAS-free, and dishwasher safe. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a whole family, the Ninja Foodi makes it easy to prepare full meals in one go. It's a smart, time-saving upgrade for any kitchen.